10th class gas paper physics new scheme 2023 knowledge base 50% understanding base 35% application base 15%. Long questions. 1. Define simple harmonic motion. Explain it as A. When mass attached to a spring. B. For ball and bowl system. 2. What are depend oscillations? How damping progressively reduce the amplitude of oscillation. Describe its application. 3. Distinguish longitudinal and transverse waves with suitable example. 4. Derive between speed, frequency and wavelength of a wave. What its formula? Relation speed of wave is its time period of wavelength. 5. What is ripple tank? Explain its construction and following properties of waves with the reference of ripple tank experiment. 6. State and explain Ohm's law. What are its limitations? 7. Explain the 5-1 characteristics of ohmic and non-ohmic conductor. 8. What is the difference between the conductors and insulators? 9. State and explain Joule's law. Derive its formula. 10. What is the difference between DC and AC? 11. What is transformer? Explain. 12. Draw the circuit diagram of AND operation and OR operation and also write the truth table of both these operations. 13. Explain in detail about compact disk and flash drive. 14. What is meant by OR gate? Write its symbol and truth table. 15. Define natural radioactivity. Also write any 3 characteristics of alpha particles. MCQs. PTB stand for Punjab textbook, page number 33, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Chapter number 12 MCQs from PTB, page number 64, 3, 4, 5. Chapter number 13 MCQs PTB, page number 86, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. MCQs PTB, page number 114, 1, part 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. MCQs from PTB, page number 136, 5, 6, 8. Chapter number 16 MCQs PTB, page number 152, 2, 4, 6, 7. Chapter number 17 Information and Communication Technology. MCQs from PTB, page number 172, part 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. Chapter number 18 MCQs PTB 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Numerical problems. Chapter 11, 11.2, 11.4, 11.5. Numerical problem. Chapter 12, 12.3, 12.8 and 12.9. Numerical problems from chapter 13, 13.10, 13.7. Numerical problem from chapter 15, 15.1, 15.2. Numerical problem from chapter 18, 18.2, 18.3, 18.5 and 18.9. Thank you for watching and good luck to all of you.